3 bad things about single-ply roofing coming up next.
Number 1. Vulnerability to punctures. Single-ply membranes, particularly those made of materials like EPDM or TPO, can be susceptible to punctures from sharp objects or debris. This vulnerability can lead to leaks and require regular inspections and maintenance to prevent issues. Number 2. Limited lifespan. While single-ply roofing can have a relatively long lifespan compared to some other roofing materials, such as asphalt shingles, it may still have a shorter lifespan compared to more durable options like metal roofing. Factors such as exposure to UV rays, weather conditions, and maintenance practices can impact the longevity of single-ply membranes. Number 3. Installation complexity. Installing single-ply roofing systems can be more complex than other roofing types, requiring skilled professionals with expertise in handling the specific materials and techniques involved. Improper installation can lead to performance issues and reduce the effectiveness of the roof in terms of waterproofing and energy efficiency. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for videos just like this one.